Hey guys, this is William from socialrealty.com. If you've never seen one of our videos before, it's full VR. Look up, down, left, and right, and you can see everything as if you were here in person. Today, we're bringing you this great house over at 1142 Basil. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, brand new construction. Everything inside is new. It is pet friendly, and right there is the dog park, directly across the parking lot. So, everything inside of this is new. The current owners have done an amazing job with upgrades. Everything in the property that could be upgraded was. We've got built-ins and professionally installed closet organizers throughout. Living room has high cathedral ceilings, recessed lighting. If you look down, the flooring is light-proof plank flooring. Don't have to worry about wear and tear, kids, anything like that. We've got the upgraded granite. The kitchen cabinets are white mission-style cabinets that feature European soft close hinges. The appliances are all brand new. They still have the safety labels on them. Nice stove, stainless steel microwave, and of course, the luxury fridge, French door. And it does have the double pull-out on the bottom. So plenty of space. Go into bedroom number 1. And I usually pause in these to give you a chance to look around. I'm also going to open up. So, as I said, all of the closets have high-end closet organizers inside of them. The bathroom has a beautiful white marble floor. Lovely 48-inch vanity. Again, granite top with the bit of quartz sparkle in it. The master. Again, we'll pause so you can look around. And then we have another closet organizer. The property has a Nest smart thermostat to keep the heating bills down. Has high efficiency heating and cooling. It also has a laundry, washer and dryer, more cabinet organizers, an area to fold your clothes, an ironing board. The rear of the property features a great little deck. You can take the dogs for a walk out in the woods. Nice lawn area. And then downstairs features an unfinished basement with 9-foot high ceilings and plenty of room for someone's creative input. If you'd like to see this or any of our available properties, go to socialrealty.com or rentnorthernmichigan.com. I'll also put a link in the video description to my direct Facebook Messenger. You can get a hold of me on Facebook or give us a call at the office at 888-908-9448. And if there's anything else I can help you with or any other questions you might have, make sure to let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.